This week in the tip laboratory, I want to talk about how to get your car, when it's done, that all wheels really on the floor and doesn't tip or something like this, that all the wheels are straight, and how you achieve that, and how you easily build that for yourself. What I use for it is that thing here. I put my car on it. I have the grid. Then I have those little fellas, they are magnetic to keep the car in place. And then I have those four, which have a 90-degree angle, and now I can adjust my wheels, and they are in the right angle, like this way and this way. So this is very helpful, and it's very easy to make. All that I did is I bought me some half-inch wood, piece of wood, drill little holes in, and put some of those tiny magnets in, so they stick on it. The same thing with those. There are two magnets in, and I bought a metal sheet, made a grid on it, and after I made the grid on it, I sealed it with clear coat, and only glued that on a sheet of wood board, and that's pretty much it, and this is even, and you get your car always, all four wheels touch the ground, and they have the right angle and everything. And yeah, go ahead, make that for yourself. It's a nice weekend project. It's easy to do. But this was the tip of this week.